Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. The rest of the tribe has gone down in elevation. They went back to a canyon. Danny and I drove and met Seth. He is here in a pass right outside of Salida. So it's a beautiful spot, and we decided to come meet him here because we're not having as much problem with the altitude, so we decided to stay up here since we're going to be going back to Buena Vista area in a couple weeks. You know I love rolling water. This spot is amazing. They did just have a landslide a couple weeks ago. So this road that we're going on is, see, it's blocked off. And but there is still a path you can walk on. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a hike. So pretty here. You ready, Moo-moo?
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
This is the other side of the bridge. You can tell more here where the landslide was. This is the path that we're gonna take.
So we're headed to Poncha Springs, which is what the town is named after.
And there's hot
And
springs
it's one
here
of the
too.
Yeah, there's 111 of them.
Oh wow, that's a
Right
lot.
up at the visitor
There's
center.
a ton of them. Not in this immediate area, but around this area. And so this used to be like the town draw between 1900s and like 1930s.
1819.
Yeah. Well, that's when it originally started, but it was like the big swing thing in the early 1900s. And then Salida bought it up, and they transport all the water now to the aquatic center, but we're going to the abandoned old hot spring.
Oh, yeah, I heard that they created the bathhouses, according to the signs up at the visitor center. They created the bathhouses back in the 30s or something.
Yeah, that's
Oh, wow.
when it
And
was
they
its
diverted
big
all,
swing.
I didn't know they diverted all of the hot springs down there.
Yeah, all of them now. So apparently we're gonna see like they concreted the old pools over, and there should be some remains of some old structures from like the 1910s.
And there's
or
no
whatever.
natural ones left?
I don't know. If they are, they're a well-hidden secret. The town's only got like 500 people, so I tried to look online and see if we could find one, but I couldn't find it.
Oh, the river's.
But you never know. I mean, there's a ton in this area, so
Yeah, wherever there's mountains, there's hot springs.
there might be a hidden.
I also read on the visitors boards that a lot of bathhouses were opened up back in that era when they were sprouting out towns all the way here, because you had the Santa Fe Trail came up into here. Well, it stopped, and then they would continue on doing other things and trade. And silver and minerals were what made all these little ghost towns that are now ghost towns.
Oh yeah.
And they used
We
to
visited
spring up.
one, yeah.
They used to spring up in 3 days. They'd have like 500 houses, tents, 12 saloons in
Yeah.
a town.
And for them to spend all their money, that's what this town basically was.
Yeah.
Just like a trading post for them to spend all their money at after they were up in the mountains for months.
Right, that's what I read, yeah.
Yeah.
And I
But,
thought 12 salons for a population of less than 1,000
Yeah, there must have been a lot of
drinking.
drinkers, yeah.
Transients.
Well, they didn't have any potable water when you think about it.
Well, I guess there wasn't much to do in the
Well-
towns either, so I guess drinking
Yeah,
was
had
the,
to-
yeah.
At the Welcome Center, it said part of the problem was that too many people came
At
before they
once?
were able to develop.
Yeah.
So they didn't, like, they ran out of water, they ran out of fish, they ran out of local game. Like, they ran out of all the local resources, and that's what kind of killed the growth.
So the center said minerals, and they specified silver. What other minerals they got?
Oh,
Quartz.
everything. And mushrooms, too.
Oh, well, mushrooms grow everywhere. My dad and
Yeah.
I pick them.
This
And
is
not
a
the
big
magic
area
kind.
for
I know this is on video.
Wow, this is
This is a
pretty.
big area for minerals.
You can tell we're going uphill. I know, look at that view out there.
All right, well, we should have a killer view because we're going around, so we should have the full view in a minute.
Cool.
It's down there, you can tell we are going uphill. Ready, Moo-moo? Up we go. Look at that house right there on the hillside. Well, you definitely wouldn't want to go rolling down that hill.
I think think it's like a 2-mile hike.
Yeah, this isn't an airship. The back isn't covered with.
We're
the-
getting higher and higher, and the views are getting better and better. That's
It's
awesome.
not quite an airship, but it looks.
This hike is about a mile. We've got to curve around and go all the way up.
Set my heart afire. Yeah.
We are entering private land, so it says make sure to stay on the road, 1 mile. So I guess this road goes farther than I thought it did because we've already probably been about a half a mile. A little winded. Do what?
I think someone tried to bring down a real bathtub to fill
Oh, I
up,
see
and they
it.
gave up. To pipe into the water.
Right. That's too funny.
I'm assuming. I hope they're not dumping.
Yeah, they could be dumping. Wow, look at that view. Now I know what a drone feels like. So there are a few abandoned items here. There's an old building. And right over here, I'm not sure if that's mining stuff. What?
A giant dandelion.
What?
The biggest dandelion you ever seen.
Oh. What are those called though?
Dandelion.
I don't know.
No, I know, but the puff things are called.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, they're called something specific?
Yes, they are.
Wow. I never knew that.
You're supposed to pick them and make a wish and blow.
All right, do you guys know what that special kind of dandelion is?
Here it goes.
And now they will spread more dandelion leaves everywhere. And when
Exactly.
they're little baby roots, you cut them and they make the most delicious, tender salad.
I know, I used to eat dandelion flowers all the time.
There were a whole bunch of them, but they've already died off.
Those big brown things?
Are called bushtail, you said?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
One of your viewers will know.
I'm sure. Oh yeah,
They look great in the big pot.
They kind of remind me of cactus tail.
Oh, maybe cattails.
Oh,
Maybe that's what they
cattail.
are.
Sorry,
Yeah, there you go.
cattail. That's it. So the hot springs used to run right down here.
Yeah, and these used to be the buildings that house and the bathhouses. You
Oh,
can climb up there and have a look.
that's what those old buildings are. Cool. Oh yeah, the reeds.
Yeah, and then you get some water with some palm olive soap, and then you cut it here and cut it here, and you blow bubbles.
Oh, that's cute. I know you can.
See, look.
I
See how
know.
hollow they are?
I know they used to be used as switches too, didn't they? Reeds.
No.
switch?
Well, if they were wet and
Yeah.
young. Otherwise, you get some from a limb. But you see how hollow they are? And you
Yeah,
just
oh, it's like a
slip 'em in,
straw.
and then you blow a big bubble.
We've made it to the top. The road goes down from here. Look at the view. Isn't that amazing? There's an old set of stairs and it leads to some kind of a memorial. There's a bunch of painted rocks. And that says Phoenix Troop 359, Troop 105. So I guess that's all the troops that came up here. Some kind of memorial. It's pretty neat. So I believe this used to be one of the pools. Nope, no more water. Oh look, pipes.
Reopen it. It's got a
Yeah.
bulb cock in
There's
this,
still
right?
some water in that thing.
Old piping.
So here's the old structure I was talking about. Ooh, is anybody home? Look at all the rusty stuff. It looks like a workout thing. It's pretty neat. Moo-moo, out, go. Good girl. They didn't invite you in. You can't be going in there. She's like, but I want to explore. Wow, more rusty stuff. Handlebars. Oh, wow. I don't know though. I know it's an old falling down house, but they had some amazing views for sure. So here are the baths for the hot springs. They have 4 total. Here's 2, and here's 2 other ones. Pretty neat. They're still plumbed. There's one by Moo-moo. There's one right there. There's old plumbing. A lot of old pipes. Stairs that lead to nowhere. I'm glad we came up here to visit this because this is just amazing. I like seeing all the old cool stuff. There seems to be more structures up here. What happened?
Community meeting.
What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing bad.
Okay.
Yeah, ain't no drama here.
There's
You
more
touch
up there?
that
Oh
pipe,
yeah,
you're
it
gonna
goes all the
burn
way
your
up.
Oh, it
hand.
goes all the way up.
Yeah.
What, the pipe
Yeah.
was really hot?
Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah, touch the pipe.
You
Oh,
touch
that
the-
one.
Just quickly.
Oh, no, I'm good.
It's not like it's not gonna kill you.
Yeah, it's
pretty
just super
friggin'
hot.
Is
Like
it?
the top of a roof of a car.
Okay.
Yeah, it's probably like 120
But I think people have been
degrees.
trying to break into it because all and up and down there you see the PVC.
Oh,
piping.
yeah, and you see where they've patched the pipes
Yeah.
and stuff right
Well,
here.
shit, if I was a local, I'd tap in too.
See right there?
What? Oh, yeah. Someone
There's an
built a
old
hot
cabin
spring.
or something down there.
Cool, I didn't even notice that when we were coming up.
No, me either.
Bless you. There's there's quite a few.
Yeah.
There's one there, there's one
So
there,
where
one
do you
there.
see hike down? Maybe over there?
Yeah, I see there's a path that leads down.
You want to go down?
If y'all want to, we can go walk down there.
No, no.
Well, we're thinking maybe not because it's pretty overgrown. Unless we go down the side right here, but I don't know if I want to do that. Maybe we can come back up here and try. Just doesn't seem like it's very easy to get to. Are y'all going down?
Well, I'm scared of heights and I'm scared of slipping. I can't
And
come
I'm
up,
wearing
I don't know about going
sandals.
down. I
Right.
need a walking stick.
Yeah, we can come back later and see if there's a different. Oh, I see. There's another path right
Yeah,
there.
goes
See,
right
it's
down
got the
there.
stairs.
Oh
sort of
yeah,
like
yeah,
built in.
yeah.
And then see, it leads to that board on the side.
I
of
would
the
not be
pool.
videotaped, but I would sit on my down.
Right.
Do it. I won't get you on
Luna, go down
videotape.
and she said, "Get out of control."
Okay, so I'm gonna try to go down. Luna, get out of there. Slowly but surely. Are y'all coming?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, but I don't want to run into you in case.
Okay,
I slip.
just hold on. Wait till I get down. Once you get down, it's not that bad. Ooh, they smell weird.
Huh? Does it smell?
Not really. It's a I don't know what the smell. No, it's not sulfur. So. Sure, if I'd want to bathe in that, and I'm not sure.
Clear up there. Is it clear?
It is. It's clear, but there's like algae growing in it.
Yeah, but that's normal.
is
The
it warm?
Montezuma ones were the same.
I don't know. Come down here and see.
Put your foot in there.
You put your foot in there.
No, you're already down there.
Let's see. Oh, it is warm. Really warm. What do you think, Luna?
Well, we could scoop water out
Moo-moo.
and take a bath.
Yeah, it's really warm.
Whoa, rock on the loose.
Oh, here comes Seth.
Oh, you're more sure-footed than I am, so
Wasn't that bad. You just had to walk sideways.
I have to use all fours.
Oh, wow. Wow.
It is really warm, isn't it?
Oh, that's like at least 80 degrees.
Oh wow, it's swampy all the way around, huh?
It's
Yeah.
super warm. Kind of swampy, but it's so warm.
Well, let her feel it.
Oh, it's like bath temperature.
It is. This is awesome.
Oh, and it runs all
They're
the way
just
down.
hidden in
I
the
wonder if it
weeds
goes
and
all the way
everything.
down.
That's
Got a
awesome.
shovel.
You get a nice hot springs and the wonderful view.
An easier access further down.
I don't know. Yeah. It's just, it seems like they haven't been used in a long time because they're kind of overgrown. Even that one you can barely see.
But I tell you, it's super clean because they haven't been used.
Yeah, I mean, the
water's
water's clean.
Yeah.
So, just take it
And
throw
shove it
over the
out,
edge,
yeah?
Throw
Yeah,
it over
the-
the edge and it would be perfect.
Actually, you could probably cook and saute that with the old-fashioned kind.
I thought it was some kind of mining stuff.
Oh, maybe it's well,
Yeah. We found the fountain of youth. Jump in, everybody. Beautiful up here, but it's time to head back down because I am hungry and it is lunchtime.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
Well, we made it back to base camp and the clouds are rolling in. I believe it's supposed to rain a little bit later today. So we're just going to have a little dinner and end the day. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you next time, hopefully. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah. I love y'all out there. See you next time.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.